Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video, I will be explaining how to remove an administrator account from your computer. Now click on search bar and search for control panel. Here click on the option change account type. As you can see that there is no option here to remove the account. So let me show you how to do it in the right way. Now search for command prompt and run it as administrator. Now write the command exactly as you seen on the screen. And now hit enter. Now let's check if it worked or not. Yes, as you can see that the administrator account is now removed from my computer. If you find this video informative, leave a thumbs up and let me know by commenting below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.